You will find gentleness in places you didn't expect it to reside, in calloused hands and banged up hearts. You will find warmth in the iciest of places, in hearts that look frozen from the outside. You will find stillness in the places that used to scare you, in the silence you used to run away from. The naked eye can only show you so much. The mind is fluid, so are the opinions manufactured in it. One day, you will be surprised to find that beauty has always been present in those places you never looked.